from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
An inside look at how one Henrico Elementary School reversed course and became fully accredited this year. We'll have that story and others in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Tuesday, January 23rd, 2024, and it's brought to you today by Miracles in Motion.
And now for the news.
Well, Montrose Elementary School in Eastern Henrico became fully accredited this year for the first time since the 2019-20 school year. And today on HenricoCitizen.com, our education reporter Leanna Hardy takes an in-depth look at how Principal Cassandra Willis helped turn things around at the school. To hear Willis tell it, it's a combination of a roster full of activities that help motivate her students, like monthly attendance celebrations, a holiday pop-up shop, book vending machines, a school-wide kickball game, and much more. She told us, quote, "It seems like something so small, but it keeps attendance numbers up and it just keeps the building calm." Things like that help keep kids engaged and excited, and once you can get kids engaged and excited, then you can get them learning. It's just a formula for success, end quote. This is a story you'll want to check out today on our website, HenricoCitizen.com. A legislation that would raise the state's minimum wage to $15 an hour by 2026 is moving quickly through the Virginia General Assembly as Democrats take advantage of their narrow majorities in both chambers to try to complete an effort they began 4 years ago. Our partners at Virginia Mercury have much more on this push that would boost the minimum wage to $13.50 by next year and then $15 the following year. Republicans have expressed unease over the varied impacts that the wage hikes could have on less affluent parts of the state. But Democrats say the bump up to $15 an hour would barely keep up with inflation. Now, you can read much more about this topic right now on our website, HenricoCitizen.com. Perry's Steakhouse and Grill will open February 5th at Short Pump Town Center. The 11,000 square foot restaurant features a main dining room, a wine wall, a bar, patio dining, and 4 private dining rooms, among others. The restaurant is known for its signature 7 Fingers High pork chop and its Pork Chop Friday lunch special. Culture Encounters, a nonprofit dedicated to igniting cultural curiosity, knowledge, and appreciation, will launch a Conversations to Connect series January 26th at 6 p.m. in the Dory Park Recreation Center's Henricus Room. The event will feature a panel discussion that includes African Americans, Africans, and Caribbean immigrants. The event is free, but registration is required. You can learn more or register at cultureencounters.org. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Miracles in Motion Special Needs Dance Studio, which is seeking dancers and volunteers of all ages to participate in their new dance season. Visit miraclesinmotionva.org for more information on this fascinating program that provides a fun, safe place for people with special needs to shine. Miracles in Motion provides quality dance instruction to the special needs community. That website again is miraclesinmotionva.org. Come dance with us.